was clucking in the sun, pecking the ground, just having fun. But little did she know that day her friends were planning hip hooray. Shh, don't tell Hen, it's a big surprise. Keep it secret till she closes her eyes. Cow said moo, I'll make the cake, fluffy and sweet for our friend's sake. She mixed up flour, eggs and cream, humming softly in a birthday dream. Swish, swirl, splatter, cow stirs the batter, round and round, oh what a sight. This cake will make Hen's day so bright. Sheep took the bowl with a gentle bleat, I'll make frosting soft and sweet. She whisked and twirled with woolly cheer, adding a drop of love so dear. Whip, whip, whoosh, creamy, dreamy swoosh, vanilla clouds in a frosting sky. Oh my wool, how the time flies by. Bunny hopped with ribbons and bows, placing flowers in perfect rows. Carrots and berries, bright and small, a sugary tower 10 inches tall. Hop, hop, hooray, decorate the day. Sprinkles, sparkles, cherries too. Bunny's made a dream come true. Pink puff balloons in red and gold hung shiny banners bright and bold. He giggled, oink, it's almost time. We'll sing our song in birthday rhyme. Hop, puff, cheer, the party's near. Pig and pals all hide away, waiting for Hen to come their way. Hen walked in, oh what's this sight? The barn's all glowing, shiny bright. Her beak dropped wide, her feathers fluffed. I never dreamed I'd be so loved enough. Surprise, surprise! Happy birthday, Hen, you're our dearest friend. Again and again we baked, we danced, we planned all day to wish you joy in every way. Hen took a breath, the candle shone. She closed her eyes with a gentle tone. I'm lucky, friends, to have you near. Let's share this cake of love and cheer. Peck, peck, slice, oh it tastes so nice.